Sam here on my basements again. So this one's finished now. Just have a look at what we've got. It's all membraned up. I've just got some more holes to drill for a circuit board to go on here, just to carry all the fuses and everything. So this is the second one down, and I'll show you the third one in a minute. Damp Sam back here. This is third cellar and biggest cellar. I'll just take you around. So again, we've got a type A system on walls, which is a render, then a slurry. So I mean, it's a decent size, probably about 5 by 5. And then we've got this little hallway in here, which were original stairs down. So I've got a fair bit. I'm messing about to do it here. A few days to do it. Staircase up there. Again, these will all be fiddly bits. Inside all the way, and I think this is getting blocked off because this is like just a services area, but it's still gonna have to be done. That dampness on floor, that's concrete lime sealer, so that was put on before, I think. Yeah. So I'll show you it again when we've sorted it out, but again, it's a decent sized basement, but this is third at 3. See you later, please subscribe. Here I am, Damp Sam here. We've finished these basements, all sealed up, all membraned up and everything, and I'm just going to show you what we've done. So here we go. This is what they call it, cellar, biggest cellar. It's what one we left last. So everything's been sealed, walls. There's insulation going down on top of these, and then there's going to be a screed poured. So this is all the room. Bit of detailing around there. Like I said, they're putting some insulation down and a screed on top. And they're going to pour. Just said they're going to pour a screed, just what all the way. And then this is where the service has come in. Just finished off with a bit more sealing around them, but that's so rendered in that. So that's Damp Sam showing you how we do a basement. See you on next one. Please subscribe.